Sending proposals that work for corporate clients doesn't have to be difficult. In fact, with the right approach, you can make sure your proposals stand out and are much more likely to get accepted. Whether you're new to corporate proposals or looking to fine-tune your skills, this video is going to break down the key steps you need to take to make sure your proposals work every time. Stick with me until the end because I'll also give you an exclusive tool to streamline this process. The first thing to know is that corporate clients don't have time to sift through lengthy, complicated proposals. They want clarity and value, fast. So, when you're putting together a proposal, start by addressing the client's pain points right from the beginning. Make it clear how your solution will help them solve a specific problem or meet a clear goal. This is your hook, and it needs to grab their attention immediately. Next, keep it concise but powerful. Don't overwhelm your client with every detail of your offer. Focus on the key benefits and outcomes. A great proposal has a strong value proposition that speaks directly to the client's business objectives. Identify what they need, explain how your solution will achieve that, and highlight the specific outcomes they can expect. Be sure to show, not just tell, how your product or service makes a difference. Another essential point is the structure. When you send proposals to corporate clients, make sure it's clean, easy to read, and well organized. Use bullet points and headers to make key information easy to find. Don't overcomplicate the design. Focus on making your proposal as professional and straightforward as possible. A cluttered proposal can turn a client off, no matter how great your offer is. Now, one of the biggest mistakes I see is not personalizing the proposal for the client. You need to tailor your proposal to their specific needs and business context. Generic proposals are much less likely to get noticed. Make sure to address the company by name, mention specific issues they're facing, and show that you've done your homework. Corporate clients appreciate when you demonstrate a deep understanding of their business challenges. At this point, you may be thinking, how can I make all of this easier and more efficient? Well, I've tried many of the most popular proposal software tools out there, and I found one that's great for creating proposals that work fast. In fact, this software is the one I'm recommending to you, and it's perfect for streamlining the process, helping you organize your proposals and making them look even more professional. I've arranged an exclusive free trial for you, so be sure to check it out in the description below and follow along. After you've personalized and organized your proposal, don't forget to include a clear call to action. Make it easy for your corporate client to take the next step. Whether it's scheduling a meeting or confirming their interest, your proposal should tell them exactly what you want them to do next. This helps create a sense of urgency and makes the process as smooth as possible. Now let's quickly review what we've covered. To send proposals that work for corporate clients, remember these key points. First, address their pain points right from the start. Second, keep it concise and focus on the benefits. Third, ensure your proposal is well structured and easy to read. Fourth, personalize it for the client and their specific needs. Finally, always include a clear call to action. Your key takeaway: proposals that work are clear, focused, and personalized. They directly address the client's needs, show the value of your solution, and make it easy for the client to take action. If you follow these steps, your proposals will be much more likely to succeed. Before you go, don't forget to take advantage of the exclusive free trial I've arranged for you in the description. It's a great tool that can save you time and help you create professional proposals fast. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.